Hi fans, hi, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time you're going to see this video. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Joyce. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming to support your girl. So we're going to do some few things in the house, and I want you to spend the day with me, even if it's not the whole day, but few hours that I'll be going to do some 1, 2, 3 in the house. I've just finished and doing my hair. Later on we go do some blow dry before we decide on what to do with it. So first of all, we are going to boil some cereals so that we can store them in the fridge, and we are starting with the yellow beans. I have already prepared them here, as you can see. So we are going to put them on the fire, then we do something else. Yeah, welcome. Beans on the fire, we are going to prepare these managu. We got them yesterday from the market. We got some kunde and some morenda. So we are going to prepare them, and because we are not cooking them today, we just steam them, then put them in the freezer for later use. So we prepare these ones.
I thought Mama had promised me a mockingbird, and each note that she sings kind of reminds me of her. A brand new bottle tucked away behind my seat, and if I get pulled over, I'll pretend it's not for me. There's a problem here, but it's not yours, it's his. And every day he'll wake up longing for your kiss. There's gotta be more to live for in a lonely town like this. The stores are closing, and friends have lost their shirt. Although I know it's fucked up here, it probably could be worse. I count my blessings, I guess I'm lucky I've got the work. And it seems like we're happy, at least I know we were. There's so many things to be angry about, and my phone won't ring unless I call you out. But the kids seem good, and that'll do for now. There's gotta be more in store for this lonely town. Set my hands down on the table and just breathe. No one's forcing me to stay, but I can't leave. And I keep doing what I can to find relief. Just stay with me. be honest with each other from now on. And I took things for granted, now so much is gone. And I keep treading water, trying not to drown. I miss the people I know in this lonely town. I hope they know I love them, even if I'm not there now. I awoke all alone on a Sunday, playing games with the names in my head. It's a shame I can't change. Maybe one day you come crawling back to me instead. We keep spinning in this game, no one's winning. If we just take a little more time, I could breathe and relieve the anxiety, just knowing you'll always be mine. Maybe I believe in the language of love. It's written in the heavens and the stars up above. It takes a little patience, but if you give enough, it'll work out right. It just takes a little time. Some might say there's a way to be open and honest with the voice in your head. It's okay, I can't blame you for hoping it all works out the right way instead. It's no secret, I know that we can keep it beside this picture of you and I. But I could breathe and relieve the anxiety, just knowing you'll always be mine. Maybe I believe in the language of love. It's written in the heavens and the stars up above. It takes a little patience, but if you give enough, it'll work out right. Maybe there is something you and I can do. Just try to close your eyes, make believe that it's true. I know that it's waiting there for just me and you in the air tonight. There's a magic we cannot see. It's there whispering to you and to me. All I know is that we have to believe in us. Maybe I believe in the language of love. It's written in the heavens and the stars up above. It takes a little patience, but if you give enough, it'll work out right. Maybe there is something you and I can do. Just try to close your eyes, make believe that it's true. I know that it's waiting there for just me and you in the air tonight. It just takes a little time.
So we're going to put them in these containers. Put them in the freezer. Yeah. So as we wait for them to cool down, we wash the ngwashe and the nduma so that we can also prepare them. All this I bought them yesterday in the market. I was in the market yesterday, so I bought everything yesterday so that for the next 1 week we will have everything we need for the week. Yeah, so we're going to wash the ndoma and the ngwashe. Then we start with the ngwashe, then we prepare the ndoma later. After some few hours, they are ready to be put in the freezer. So we have yellow beans, 2 tins. We have kamande, 2 tins. Then we have ndoma. We have ngwashe. We also have ngwashe hazikutoshea kwa ile nini. Alafu we have managu. Then we have kundes. So we're going to put them in the freezer.
Softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free.
So
I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
Final look. We have everything for at least a week or 2. Yeah, everything is ready. I hope very soon I'm going to buy a big fridge. Yeah, well, God will help me. So there are the ngwashe, ndoma. We have the carrots. We bought this carrots yesterday and we packed them. Then we have everything and our fridge is full for the next. So guys, thank you for watching, thank you for coming, thank you for everything, for being with me, thank you for subscribing, thank you for your comment, share and everything. Yeah, see you later.